Hi, my name is Tyler Devlin. This is my resubmission for assignment 5. I'm going to start off by showing how the page works. If you enter a search such as Rutgers, then you get up tweets after the Ajax indicator box shows up. You can search by different types, say the most popular ones, and they'll show the most popular ones show up. The retweet count and the favorites are in descending order. Change that back to any. The language box also works. Want Spanish tweets, and they'll show you some Spanish tweets. The other two are just chosen at random. Here's my code. In the HTML, in the head again, I just only changed the CSS and the JavaScript files that I was using. In the form part of the code, I added this dropdown with the values EN, ESKO, and SW for the languages. I said in my last video in the dropdown that I got the values from the Twitter API page. That was actually for this one. In the last project, it was from the documentation page given on the Sakai site. So these I got from the Twitter documentation from like a ISO 680 something code that was given on the page. Looked those up on Wikipedia and just chose some languages at random. Here, these are gotten directly from the Twitter API page. Mixed, recent, popular, and a blank value for any. There's the submit button. There's the error in the outputs for the right side of the page, the right column. And there's the Ajax indicator model box. Here's the JavaScript. I grab the variables search phrase language and result from the form. Here it just checks the error to make sure that the text field isn't empty. If it is, it says you must enter a search term and shows an alert. We can show that here. If I just refresh and hit submit, we get the alert. The Ajax indicator shows up. The Ajax call is made. It goes to AS5 PHP. Again, this is returning JSON. So I send a Q, lang, and result type. Those are the phrases given on the Twitter page. I use my values gotten from the form for those variables. And here I build my HTML from the JSON request. I make a list. I grab the user image, user profile image. I grab their name, the body of the tweet. I make a badge for both the retweet count and the favorite count gotten from the JSON response. I build the HTML and I append that to the output. Here's the error in the complete, where it hides the Ajax or logs some errors from the code. Here's the PHP file. The only things that I had to add to this that wasn't given to me from the Sakai page was my consumer key and my consumer secret code that I got from signing up for Twitter's API. Finally, here in the CSS, just added retweet count and fave count colors to the badges, purple and this blue-green color that you can see again that show up here. This blue, green, and this purple color. And that's my assignment 5.